viewers, welcome to Sharma's Kitchen. Today I am here with a very easy recipe but in a unique way. We all know that summers are at its peak, so today I am sharing fresh homemade orange juice in a mixer grinder rather than using a juicer. So let's start with the ingredients first. We need fresh oranges, black pepper powder, mint leaves, rock salt, sugar and water. So first remove the peel from all the oranges and now put these oranges in a mixer grinder. Then add your fresh mint leaves. This is just to add flavor and freshness. Then add sugar. Sugar depends on how sweet your oranges are. So check before adding sugar. Then add water. Water depends on the required quantity. Now grind. After grinding, our orange juice including pulp is ready. We don't want pulp, so to remove the pulp here I am using a strainer. Now strain your orange juice to separate the pulp. So strain it properly. After straining, now add rock salt. You can also use regular salt. Then add your fresh crushed black pepper powder. Mix it well. So our fresh orange juice without juicer is ready. It is so yummy and delicious, and you can easily make this fresh orange juice for your loved ones in summers. Now pour your orange juice in your serving glass. You can add ice cubes or serve as it is, and your juice is ready. So, did you like my unique way of making orange juice? Let me know in the comment section below. You can also visit to my website www.sharmakitchen.com for detailed written recipe. You can also like my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You will get all these links in my description box below. For such more amazing recipes, do subscribe to Sharma's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.